So, you want to monetize your YouTube channel, but you've heard it takes months or years. What if you could start today? Monetization means YouTube pays you through ads, memberships, and more. It's the key to turning your channel into a business. Once monetized, YouTube's algorithm boosts your channel. You grow faster. Sounds crazy, right? But I'll show you how to do it step by step. Stick with me. You don't want to miss this. Getting monetized on YouTube. Want to earn money on YouTube? Join the YouTube Partner Program. The path to success. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million views on shorts in 90 days. It may seem tough, but it's possible with the right strategy. Stay focused and consistent. The fast-track strategy for YouTube Shorts. Discover how YouTube Shorts can boost your channel quickly. Here's a tip many overlook. YouTube Shorts are your secret weapon. Post 5 to 10 shorts in one day. Use trending sounds and bold text hooks. Tailor them to your niche. Even small creators can go viral with just their phones. No editing skills needed. One viral short could get you 100,000 plus views. Start creating shorts today. Watch your subscriber count and views soar. Your viral moment awaits. Let's dive into boosting your watch time quickly and effectively. Here's a little-known trick. Go live now. Next, start a live stream. It could be a music loop, a study room, or gameplay. Even without being on camera, you'll gain watch hours. Create a playlist of your top videos. Encourage your audience to binge watch it. Share this playlist on Facebook, Discord, and Reddit. People will watch it, and it works. Final setup plus motivation. Before you apply for monetization, your channel needs to look legit. Here's a quick checklist. Channel banner and profile picture, channel description that explains your niche, two-step verification turned on, no copyright or community strikes, videos that follow YouTube's guidelines. Go to YouTube Studio, monetization tab, click notify when I'm eligible. Most creators wait for monetization. Those who take action, post daily, go live, promote their content, showing up, experimenting, and improving. That's how you monetize your YouTube channel starting today. If you're serious about growing your channel, hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments. How close are you to monetizing? You've got this. Now, go create something awesome. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such content and to save it for later. Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.